Hi and welcome to the second video on MS Access. In the first video we set up a new database, started a new table, went into its design view and put in some field names and put in some data types. In this video we're just going to talk about this little guy up here, the primary key. So by default Microsoft gives it to you in the first field. First of all, what is it? So two reasons why you need a primary key. First of all, you need it if you're linking one table onto another. And second of all, and more fundamentally, you need a way of distinguishing between your records. So for example, say look at lead actor. If you had several movies in your collection with George Clooney, then lead actor wouldn't be a good field to use to distinguish between them, because obviously you'd get them mixed up. Same with country of origin. If you had several movies from the same country, then country of origin would not be a good field to use to distinguish between your various movie titles. So if you don't have any, and none of those really fit, if you don't have any, what you're better off doing is creating a new field, say an ID field. Give each movie or each record in your database its own unique identity. And that way then the ID number or text that you apply to each movie will be different from all other movies in your collection. So we're going to insert a new row up at the top here. We clicked in the first field. We're going to insert a new row and we'll call it something like movie ID, and we're going to make it a text. And then to make it the primary key, okay, we're just going to click on the primary key button there, and it jumps from wherever it was off up here to movie ID. So this primary key button lets you flick the primary key on and off. Now you could leave your database without one, but that would not really be considered good database design. So we're going to leave that on there. And that's the story about primary key.